Hello everyone, I am Manish Sharma, your fellow and friend in this learning journey. In this session, we are starting the sketching tools available in the Fusion 360. So, variety of sketching tools are available. One by one, we will cover them. So, in this session, we are starting the sketch development in using Fusion 360 tools. So I have taken three examples of sketching from Autodesk AutoCAD 2018 and Inventor 2018 tutorial book. So this is the first example. Whole of the example is made using just a line command. So as you see, coordinates are there, angles are there, and dimensions are given. So it may be over constrained in Fusion 360, so few of the dimension may be omitted. Then example 2 is here. It is using circle command, then again circle command, circles in a patterned way on R38 pitch circle diameter. Then there is a slot cut. This and this are the arcs. So three arcs are there in this sketch of 146 mm radius and 25 mm radius. And this is the third example. It is using mirror command, either the horizontal or vertical plane, and then using arcs and circles. This hole has been made. Number of circles are there and number of arcs are there. So let us take an example on one first example we are doing. So in example 1, we will start from this 50-50, or we can even start from origin as well. So let us start sketching. Click on sketch. It is asking for a plane, so we are taking this front plane as the plane of development of the sketch. So click on line command and we can open this grid so that we are able to find the different coordinates. So we can start from any place. Click on snap so that we are able to locate these intersection points of the grid easily. So we are placing first point here, then making an horizontal 100 mm line for this 50-50 to 150-50. Then we go like this way, drag from the mouse, click on line command, go like this way, horizontal line. After that, we have inclined line, then vertical, again inclined line, then horizontal, vertical downward. You can zoom it out, horizontal, vertical downward, then inclined line at 45 degree, again 25 mm horizontal line, then 45 degree down, again horizontal 25 mm line, then vertically down and coming to the original or origin point from where we started. So now this is the complete closed sketch, but press the escape button to come out of the command. But it can be moved anywhere by this way, or we can deform it at our desire. So we have to fully define it so that we are able to give it the complete non-distorted sketch image. So let us start giving the dimensions. 50-50 to 150-50 is 100 mm dimension. Click on sketch dimension. This is 100 mm. Then 50, 40, 50. So give this dimension 50 mm. Again there is an issue, so let us undo this. First give this the value of 40 so that it doesn't distort. Give this 50 dimension. Again this is distorting. So while making the sketch we have to take care of that we will give as close as dimension possible so that distortion will be lesser. Let us give now 45 40. Press D to activate the dimension, and it is 45, then 40 45. So first give this the dimension of 25. This is also 25. This is 55, 60, and then we can double click to edit the already given dimension. This dimension is 50. Still it is distorted because we haven't given the angle values. So let us give some angle values. This angle is 150, 150. This is 45. So it is over defined now. We can't give it. This angle is 45 over dimension. No need to give it. This is 60 degree, and this angle is 70 degree. Now we will give the dimension of 50-50 to this lower left point. So it is starting to become black, so that because it is fully defining now. Again give this dimension as 25 horizontal, 50 vertical. Completely distorted, so we will give it later. So while making this sketching we have to take care of the dimensions. So this length remained. Let us give it 40 value. So now it is completely defined. Few of the dimensions still left and not as per the actual sketch, because in the making of this, few of the constraints already defined it. So press escape button, give this value 50. Now our sketch is completely defined as per the given dimensions, because this dimension was not given earlier in the accurate way. So exercise 1 is completed. Now let us move to the second exercise. Second exercise or example is this one, which is you making use of circles and slots as well as arcs. We can also make the upper half or lower half and mirror it, but that will be more cumbersome in making this drawing. So instead of that, we are using circles, slots, pattern along the circular path, and arc command for making this drawing. So open new sketch, start, take the plane. Then first we will draw the construction line for the center line. By clicking here, we will make construction line. This is center line. So if you want to make the already made line as center line, then select it, and instead of construction, click on center line. So now it is center line is made. At the center line, there is a vertical line as well. So click on line and make a vertical center line. Escape button to come out of the command. This construction is necessary to develop the accurate sketch. Now we will make first these two concentric circles. So go to circle, make a circle of first circle 50, second R50 100 mm. 50, first circle is made, then again press C, second circle 100 mm, it is also made. Then from the circle there is a third arc, which is part of a circle as well. So we can make now this, whose center is at 95 mm from the center of 50 mm diameter circle. So go to create arc, center point arc. We will make center along this line, horizontal center line, and make us any size arc like this. And this is of 25 mm radius and 95 mm from this center of this circle. So go to dimension and give this as 95 value. Then we have to give the radius as 25 mm. So we can 50 mm radius, 25 mm radius, not 50. So now we will make this arc. This arc has 146 mm radius. We know we can locate this point as well as this. So what we have to do, first click on trim and trim this portion. Then go to create arc. We can create center point arc. For center point arc, we have to first locate the center. Then first point, second point. They are not touching each other. In give first the dimension of 146 mm radius. So its center might be at the lower position. So we do not know the exact location. So for that, what we do, we use this coincident. So we have to consider this with this. Its center is moving, so we have to merge first send this line with the origin. Now this point with this point, so it is now merged. So as you see in the diagram, this arc is not starting from this vertical center line. So we have to take care of this thing as well. Press escape, click here, delete this incident. We have to move this further as well as this. So what we do now, remove this because we have to merge it these 2 points. Coincident. Now press escape to come out of the command. It can move up and down. So what we have to do, select this, merge with center. Now our sketch is little bit distorted because we haven't defined the end points of this 25 mm arc. So go to coincident, go to horizontal, not coincident. Click this and this. So now they are vertically aligned. Click center and this point, as it is close to horizontal, so it moves towards the horizontal line, but we do not require it in the horizontal. We require these 3 points vertically aligned. So we manually move this, and now horizontal vertical constraints are applied. Still it is in blue color because tangency condition is still missing. As you see, there is a smooth curve. So we click on tangent, this, click both arcs, now they are tangent, click this. So smooth curve is made now. Now we will go to create another feature, mirror. So we are using mirror so that we can mirror this curve along the horizontal central line. So first we have to select the object as you are seeing here. This is the object. We have to mirror about this. So you can see both lines are now mirrored, but they are still not meeting. So what we have to do, select this and merge both of these. So there is some issue in the merging. Still they are meeting because we are getting the connection here. So now outer boundary is being made. We are left with these 5 circles on the circumference of 38 mm radius and this slot. So let us first create the slot. Go to create slot, center to center. We know this as one center. The center to center length is 43 mm. So let us click here. another line 43 mm, click here, and then radius of this is 11 mm. So the slot is made now. We do not require dimension like this. Select it, delete, go to dimension or press D, give the dimension as R 5.5. We apply the equal constraints so that we do not have to define again and again. So it is okay. We have to give the dimension from this to this center as 43 mm. So now it is completely defined. We have to make now PCD on which 5 circles are to be made. So go to create arc, center point arc. We know center here, this and this. But we want construction circle because we do not want it to hinder the actual sketching. So this construction will not be counted while we make the model. So now we have an PCD whose radius is 38 mm on which we make these 5 circles. So go to dimension or press D, give this 38 mm value. It is completely defined. Go to circle, make first circle of 10 mm radius. 5 into 10 means there are 10 mm radius circle or hole in the quantity of 5. So 10 mm circle, give the value 10 mm. It is made construction selected and remove this construction point. So 10 mm value is given. Play. Let us pick it outside. Now go to create circular pattern we are making now. Rectangular pattern is used for making pattern along the straight line along x, y or z axis, and circular pattern clockwise or anti-clockwise along the curve. So we have selected circular pattern. It is asking for objects. So this there is only one object which we want to pattern, and center point is this, but we do not want it to the full circle. As you are seeing, this is the third. We want 5, so we let make it 5. If we need 10, then we can do it 10. But these 5s are along the whole circumference. Like this is showing as full distribution. So let us make it partial 180 degree. So this is our requirement. We can make 6. We can increase the angle either to full or to any other way. Say 90 degree. 5 circles are in 90 degree. So let us make it 180 degree. So by this way we can change the angle as well by moving this handle. From there also we can change the angle. So let us do it. Okay. So our circle are patterned along the path. So this is the complete sketch which is made as per the drawing example number 2. It is completed. Example 3 is for exercise. So you can do it by yourself. Just make circles, then vertical horizontal line. Start from this, make 2 concentric circles. This circle, arc, again arc, and you can mirror it along different ways. So it is the exercise for you. Do it, practice it, and you can, the more you practice, the better you will be able to develop the sketches in an effective way. Thank you for watching this session. In this session, we have covered few of the sketching tools available in the Fusion 360, such as making circles, pattern along the circular path, ellipse, slots, and applying geometric constraints so that we can fully define the sketch. With this, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video. I request you to share this video with your friends and colleagues. They can also take the opportunity to learn Fusion 360.